love this whole review thing. I've spoken about this a couple of times, but let's just kind of go through it again just so I can reiterate it for you. Leave page. So, reviews. Here's a dealio. You have got to be super, super careful about getting reviews on Amazon, particularly in the USA right now. Let me explain why it's right now, okay? It's coming here to Australia, but right now, here's the dig. So, Facebook sells data to Amazon. What does that mean? Well, it means Amazon gets to see who your friends are on Facebook. So, if you are getting your Facebook friends, your brother, your sister, your mom, your dad, whatever it may be, to leave you reviews on Amazon that are positive, Amazon knows that. Amazon gets to see that, okay? It's pretty easy to put two and two together and all of a sudden to find that your listing either has had the reviews deleted or, even worse, has been suspended for review violations. That happens all the time. All the time, all right? Reviews are super, super important. You cannot mess about with them. You've got to be absolutely really careful how you get reviews on Amazon. There's a strategy to it. You've got to be careful. Now, right now in Australia, Amazon, to the best of my knowledge, is not buying the data from Facebook, to the best of my knowledge. However, they might start doing that. And if they do, then you're in the same boat that they're in the States. So my thing is, don't bother. There's better ways to get reviews and getting your friends to do it, and which is something we've talked about before, all right? So friends of friends is fine. So your mum's friend who you're not connected to on Facebook, well, that's fine. Your dad's mate, that's fine. Your sister's friend, whatever it may be, that's fine. As long as you're not connected on Facebook. That's all cool. Go for your life. No dramas there. Couple of things to note. First thing to note is that to leave a review on on Amazon, any review, verified or unverified, and we'll come to that in just a second, the reviewer must have spent $50 or whatever the local currency is in total on Amazon in that platform. So let's say it's Amazon Australia. So they must have spent $50 in total, meaning they could have done it one order back in January for $25 and then another order in March for another $25, and now they can leave you a review. So you've got to spend $50 in total before you can leave a review. Now, if they are buying $70 worth of products today, then they get to leave a review today, all right? But it's just so you're aware, they've got to have spent the money to go and leave a review. Unverified reviews are a little bit different. So there's two sorts of reviews. Well, there's a couple of different sorts, three sorts, but let's talk about verified versus unverified reviews on Amazon. Verified means they have purchased the product from Amazon and paid for the product through Amazon. That will then show as a verified review on Amazon. Let's bring up Amazon. Let's see if we can go find something. I don't know, electronics, that'll freaking do, I suppose. That will then give them a verified review. Somebody give me something which is verified, that'll do. Now, notice here, important, we do not at this point get to see verified versus unverified reviews. You do not on the SERPs, search engine results page, that's a page you get after you search, you do not get to see whether reviews are verified or unverified. The only place you get to see verified or unverified is if you scrolly, downy here, and it comes here, verified purchase, all right? That's the only place you get to see it. So you can make your own assessment about that. Unverified, why do they have unverified? It's because Amazon knows that you're going to sell your product in other places too. So you might go to a trade show, you might sell it on eBay, you might sell it on your own website. So you might take the money somewhere else, but you might still want to get your review on Amazon, and that's why Amazon allows unverified reviews. So let's come back to Mike's question. Can your friends of friends write you a review that will be verified? Yes, as long as they meet that criteria of A, buying the product from Amazon, and B, having spent in total over $50. Hope that helps. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.